Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to split screen on any iPhone iOS 17 full guide. So as you can see, we're currently onto my phone already or device, but this doesn't give us an option to do a split screen. So for us to be able to fix that, I have a helpful app here that would help us to do a split screen on any iPhone. So this works onto any iPhone. You'll just have to go ahead and install this onto your app store, this specific app, split screen dual window. So once you have installed this, you'll just have to open that and this should go ahead and give us an option to do a split screen onto your device. So as you can see, we have two screen already. You could drag this to make the other one bigger and the other one smaller. So you could browse to YouTube onto the upper part and you could browse Instagram onto the bottom part. By having this app, you could go ahead and multitask onto any task that you want to do onto your device. So as you can see, I have successfully split screen our iPhone in here to multitask. And if you think this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.